Hi, right, just a quick video on RSR. I've been asked to have a look at this by someone on YouTube, and I did look at it last week at some point because, well, you know, Twitter was going mad about it, and I've been hearing a lot about it over the last few weeks or whatever, so I thought I'd give it a little look anyway, and I'll look at it a little closer today. So what we've had here just recently, we've had a pump and we've had a dump, okay? What I've put in here, we've got some support and we've got some resistance here. I'll just straighten that up a little. But what does this mean? So basically, breaking down beneath here, this previous resistance, which was broken for this pump here, was smashed right back down. It didn't even try to become a support. Straight back down to our previous support level here. We had a nice bounce rejection from it, and an actual bounce back up to the support level here before coming back down again, which is where we are now. I don't like the look of this. I don't like the look of this chart, and I'll show you why. So basically, we go back in time. We had a huge move here, massive pump. You could call it parabolic in a way. I mean, it is kind of really. It's a huge pump to meet our all-time high at 0058, so almost 006 really. And then came crashing right back down to make an actual decent sort of low here. I mean, this would be our lowest low, not counting where we started here. So when we had a nice pump from there, when that was, I say, almost, I mean, it doesn't look right. I mean, I wouldn't say that was confirmed as any kind of low, but people were jumping on it, and they jumped right back on it, caused another boom here. I think that was quite forgiving, really, for anyone who had bought anywhere near here to come back up here. That's quite generous of this chart to have done that for you. And then we came crashing back down again. So what I see here, there's a lot of interest in this coin. A lot of people obviously want to get involved with it, and this is causing this. There might be other reasons causing it, you know, manipulation, whatever. But it doesn't look right. You know, it doesn't look right to me, and it doesn't look like it's ready for any kind of recovery. The lowest support level I would be, and I'm probably not going to buy this, but if I were to, I mean, you could perhaps maybe look at buying it here. I'm not your financial advisor, don't buy it because I think it's a good idea. You could buy it here for a short pump back up. It would be a gamble. We're finding a bounce, we're finding rejection on this support, but we're also finding strong rejection on this resistance, pushing us right back down again. So the chance of us bouncing back up above this resistance relatively soon is quite low, and the likelihood of us crashing down beneath this support is much higher. So the risk reward, to me, it would not be enough. You'd be gambling really if you wanted to scalp this area next time it hits this support level. That would be around 0.00275. I think what's going to happen pretty soon is that well, I might have another bounce here, but we're probably going to crash below here. We're going to fall below here to make a new lower low. I say lower low. We'll probably come back to this low here, which is the 0.00250. We might be coming down towards that area. We might not touch it, but we might be coming back down towards it. We may find ourselves hit it, and we'll probably find a nice pump from there. So that might be more of a realistic buy-in opportunity if it were to fall down to that level. I think there's a good chance it will. The only thing that makes me think it won't is that even though this, you know, I mean, it's bearish really, but technically this is our lowest low, this is a higher low. So if we can make a higher low again, even though our highs are lower, if our lows are higher, it might signal some kind of recovery. So there is a small chance that when this support here breaks, we find a higher low, maybe around 0.0024 or thereabouts. If it were to start to recover from there, and this is depending on the rest of the market, obviously, you know, if Bitcoin falls or the market falls, then RSI will probably fall with it. But going by this chart, if it were to kind of find a bounce around here, which there is a chance that it might. Let's have a look. Yeah, there there is a chance that this area could be some kind of support for it also. Let me have a look. Yeah, that could be our first sort of this could be a turning point if it were to fall down to this level here. We'll call it 0.0024, and if we were to have some kind of significant bounce from there, or if we were to trade sideways from there and not go below there, then maybe it might be an opportunity to buy. But there is also the chance that will crumble there, and we will come back down to here before we have a bounce. Optimistic would be, obviously the ultra optimistic would be that we bounce from here. I think that's very unlikely. I think we're more likely to find our way down here and have a bounce, or here. I think if we found our way back down to 0.02250. Sorry, you have to bear with me. If we were to get that low, then if I was to put money in, I would probably buy there, and then, well, judging by the way that it looks here, we might not see another one of these pumps again, but we would probably start to see some kind of recovery from that area. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Thanks for watching. I've been on this obviously trading view. It's not my normal screen, so sorry for the bad production value. I'm not known for my production value anyway, but this is lower than usual. So thanks for sticking with me. But anyway, I hope you have a nice evening. Stay tuned. See you later.